What's up, everybody? Always a great day when you got some Amazon purchases to unbox. So, let's get to it. So, what do we have? Another day of one-armed unboxing. Let's check it out. Nice. It's a little bit of the cart before the horse on this one here, but these are some 73mm lens filters for the new lens that I got for this here camera, which is coming in a few weeks, so definitely be great to check that out. It's a nice new focal length, 1020, 1018. So it'll be a cool lens to try out on this. So that's filters for the lens. What else do we got in here? Well, this isn't that exciting. It's a water filter for our fridge. Ooh, look at this one. Let's check it out. Ooh, there's some good tape here. One unboxing. That's the best. Oh, yes. Yes. I think I know what this is. That's a lot of paper. So yeah, it's a pretty big box for this is the little item that's in that very large box. The suspense. It really sucks having one arm. It's hard to pull on things. Give me a minute here. I'm gonna have to kneel on it. Not working. Scissors. Still not working. Teeth. Barbaric, but it's working. Yeah. Cleaning kit. Okay, cleaning kit. Ta-da! This is the Smooth Cube, which is gonna go with the new Pixel phone. Now, we've got a good mobile video little kit here. The B-roll is about to get upgraded. Excellent. Do a full review of this a little bit later. Just gonna set this aside, see what's in the big box now. Ooh, so exciting. looks like it's got a bunch of air. Ah, that's so exciting for you guys. But my daughter's gonna love this. It's gonna keep her bath toys nice and secure. Up on the wall. Keep the bathroom cleaner too. I mean, you can't just get one of them. I mean, you gotta get like the bath scoop too. So this way we can like scoop out the toys and then hang this on the wall. Yeah, there we go. See, not everything's for me. Batteries. Very, very important. Don't know if you guys saw a previous vlog, but I got a little Nikon A900. Great little camera, awesome zoom on it. Good price compared to the Canons and the Sonys for sure. But this guy here, this is gonna get me a little bit longer life out of it. Ah, everybody needs one of these. This is a Fotuga Duster. Clean your lenses nice. Gotta get one of these. Everybody who's vlogging right now, you need one of these. Here we go. Oh. And the lens pen, of course. Gotta have a lens pen as well. Beauty case for the Pixel. Fits perfect. Very nice. Pixel protected. So you may know from watching my vlogs, I am not a GoPro user. I am a Sony cam user. I think the Sony cams are better in low light situations. I like how they mount. I like how they're a smoother camera, so you can mount them on the side of your head as opposed to on the top of your helmet. But every accessory that's ever made for action cameras is made for a GoPro. But you can pick these guys up, and what they do is they clip onto your regular camera and give you the GoPro end. Can you see this? You see this? Here, can you see this? I wish it would be so much easier with two arms. Like, then I could actually push focus on the camera right now. But there you go. That's these action camera adapters. And another case. This one's you know, a little more elegant. Gonna have a night out on the town. Oh wow, nice packaging on this guy. Look at that, holographic. Let's have a look here. Oh wow, like glued in. Okay, so there you go, a little bit of flip action. Looks like it's got silicone inside as well, so some protection. Not sure what the sticker is here. I think it comes out. Yeah, it does. Maybe. Do you want that on the back? I don't know what you guys. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think the sticker is supposed to stay there? It's got a pattern to it. But yeah, that's gonna come off. Look, credit card slot too. Nice. Here, let's see how it fits. Look at that. I don't know. This might be my new Pixel case. This might be my first choice. Very nice. Ah, and a good old OtterBox for my other phone, which is a G4. So there we go. I got my Pixel and my G4. All my Android phones are going to be protected. Ah, everybody needs one of these. I'm a little concerned it says Euro. I hope it's a North American plug. So if you're like me and you have like 5 or 6 different cameras, you usually find yourself running around the house with battery chargers and kind of plugging them into whatever outlets available in the house. So good, it's North American, we're okay. So I picked up one of these guys right here. What this does is it's a power bar that sits on your desk. So this guy here just sits on the desk. So I can put all my adapters or all of my camera battery chargers in these plugs and still have room. So great idea here. Save more. I'll put a link in the description to all this stuff below. So if anybody's interested in it, just you know, scroll down and yeah, have a look. Just like there's a little arrow down there you gotta click and it opens everything up. This is wicked. This is called a Cam Kicks makes this. Oh. Whoa. So this guy here is an organizer for all of my action camera stuff. So it's kind of like a toiletry bag actually. It's a toiletry bag for your camera equipment. So down here, spots for your little action cameras and stuff. That closes up, it's nice and padded. And then you have all of these little storage compartments for all of your little accessories and your SD cards and everything that generally like falls to the bottom of the camera bag. You can store in this guy here. And as you can see, size-wise, you know, it's as big as my forearm. It's a good size as well. So guys, that's everything I got. I think I'm gonna take the water filter up and put that in the fridge. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for having a watch. Please hit that subscribe button, especially if you'd like to see a full review of this guy here, the Zion Smooth Q. And smash that like button below if you like what you saw today. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.